Most guys think looking like a model is all about genetics, that you either hit the DNA jackpot or you don't. But what if I told you that's not actually true? That the difference between looking like a model and looking like the average guy isn't as big as you think, and that with the right changes, you can transform your look completely. By the end of this video, you will learn the exact step-by-step process to start looking sharper, more attractive, and put together, just like a model. No crazy surgeries, no BS, just small, strategic changes that make a massive impact. Let's get into it. One of the biggest things that separates models from the average guy is their physique. But here's the thing, they're not bodybuilders. They don't walk around looking like The Rock. They focus on being lean, defined, and proportionate. And you can do the same without spending hours in the gym. The first step, fix your posture. Most guys walk around with rounded shoulders and a slight hunch, which instantly makes them look shorter and less confident. Instead, train yourself to stand taller, shoulders back, chest up, neck aligned. This alone will make a massive difference in how people see you. Second, focus on lowering your body fat. A six-pack doesn't matter as much as having a low body fat percentage. If you're in the 10 to 15% range, your jawline gets sharper, your face gets more structured, and your proportions look way better. This means prioritizing nutrition, cutting out processed junk, eating more whole foods, and making sure your protein intake is high. And finally, train your neck and jawline. Ever notice how male models always have defined jawlines? Some of that is genetics, but a lot of it comes down to muscle. Doing neck training exercises, chewing mastic gum, and practicing proper tongue posture, aka mewing over time, will give your face a sharper, more structured look. Here's the reality. You can't change your bone structure, but you'd be shocked at how much you can enhance your appearance just by improving a few key areas. First, your eyebrows frame your entire face. If they're too bushy, clean them up. If they're too thin, let them grow out a bit. A little grooming, without overdoing it, can make your face look way more structured. Second, skin. A clear complexion is one of the biggest factors in looking like a model, yet most guys ignore it completely. You don't need a 10-step routine. Just cleanse, moisturize, and use sunscreen daily. If you have acne, figure out the root cause. Sometimes it's diet, sometimes it's stress. Sometimes you just need a good skincare routine. And lastly, facial hair. The right beard style depends on your face shape. If your jawline is weak, a short, well-groomed beard can add definition. If you already have strong features, staying clean-shaven lets them stand out. Either way, make sure it's intentional. Don't just let it grow wild. Hair is one of the biggest things that can transform your look overnight, and most guys get it wrong. The key is choosing a haircut that fits your face shape. If you have a rounder face, you need shorter sides with volume on top to create angles. If you have a longer face, avoid haircuts that are too short on the sides because they'll make your face look even longer. Another secret, texture. Flat, lifeless hair makes you look dull. Adding a bit of movement and volume instantly makes you more attractive. Use a light styling product, nothing too greasy or stiff, and mess it up just enough to look natural. And one last detail, your eyebrow and beard color should match your hair. If there's a mismatch, even subtle tinting can make your whole face look more balanced. You don't need designer brands to look like a model. You just need clothes that fit properly. A $30 shirt that fits well will look better than a $500 designer one that doesn't. Get your pants tailored if needed, roll your sleeves properly, wear structured pieces that enhance your proportions. Second, stick to a neutral color palette. Black, white, gray, navy, and earth tones always look good. Monochrome outfits, where you wear shades of the same color, also make you look taller and more put together. And finally, shoes. Most guys don't realize how much their shoes affect their whole look. Stick to clean, minimal sneakers, boots, or dress shoes. Avoid bulky, outdated styles. Looking like a model isn't just about physical appearance. It's about how you carry yourself. First, walk with purpose. Don't drag your feet. Move with intention. Models don't rush. They walk with confidence, like they belong wherever they go. Second, slow down your movements. Rushed hand gestures and nervous fidgeting make you look insecure. Slowing down makes you look effortlessly in control. And last, eye contact. Not in a creepy way, just enough to show confidence. If you tend to avoid it, start making a habit of holding eye contact for an extra second. It's a small change that makes a massive impact. Looking like a model isn't about being born with perfect genetics. It's about maximizing what you already have. Fix your posture, get lean, improve your skin and hair, dress in a way that actually highlights your best features. And most importantly, carry yourself with confidence. If you apply even half of what we talked about today, you'll notice a huge difference in how people see you and how you see yourself. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment on what you're going to start applying first. I'll see you in the next chapter.